Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're virtually whisking you away to the beautiful beaches of Bali, Indonesia for a tour of a truly stunning villa, Cumulus Villa. This tropical paradise is a dream come true for families seeking relaxation and connection with nature. Cumulus Villa embodies the spirit of a tropical getaway. The design prioritizes wide-open green spaces on either side of the building, offering breathtaking views that can be enjoyed from nearly every corner. It's truly a place where the outdoors take center stage. But the green spaces aren't all. Cumulus Villa boasts a sparkling swimming pool, a charming gazebo, and even a whimsical treehouse perfect for families with children or anyone who enjoys a touch of adventure. The architects cleverly tilted the building to maximize this green space, ensuring a sense of spaciousness and connection with nature. This connection with nature extends indoors. Large, transparent sliding doors blur the line between the living area and the gardens. With these doors fully open, the two green spaces become one, inviting fresh air and natural light to flow freely throughout the home. The living room itself is positioned in the center of the lower floor, creating an ideal spot for relaxation. The sliding doors cleverly allow residents to choose their preferred view, whether it's one garden or the other. The magic doesn't stop there. The mezzanine floor offers a direct view of Melasti Beach, stretching all the way up to the rooftop area. Here, a unique design element takes center stage, a floating bedroom. This glass-encased space provides a panoramic view, encompassing the streetscape and other beautiful vistas. It's a truly special place to unwind and soak in the surroundings. Similar to the ground floor, the mezzanine features sliding doors, but these are adorned with a special touch, a laser-cut design inspired by cumulus clouds, a work of art created by the client themselves. When sunlight hits these doors, stunning shadow patterns dance across the interior. The design of Cumulus Villa masterfully blends contemporary style with a touch of local character. While the villa features open spaces and expansive transparent facades, one corner offers a beautiful contrast, a stone wall that stretches from the ground floor all the way up to the rooftop. This was a specific request from the client, inspired by the American stone house style. As you walk up the stairs, you'll be surrounded by this impressive wall, meticulously crafted from river stones. Stones aren't the only local material used. The architects incorporated andesite stone, sourced from Bali, Sumba, and Lombok, throughout the building. Teakwood also adds warmth to the interior, gracing walls, ceilings, and even some facade areas. Steel serves as the main structural material, providing a foundation for this beautiful blend of modern and traditional elements. Cumulus Villa isn't just about aesthetics, it also embraces modern technology. The home is equipped with a smart home system, ensuring convenience and ease of control. The owners can even monitor the villa remotely through their smartphones, offering peace of mind even when they're not in Bali. Cumulus Villa is a stunning example of tropical contemporary design. It's a place where families can connect with nature, relax in style, and create lasting memories. Whether you're captivated by the open spaces, the unique design elements, or the seamless blend of modern and traditional, Cumulus Villa offers something for everyone. What aspect of this incredible villa appeals to you most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring explorations in sustainable architecture.